Hello everybody, this is Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I shot this image for a long time ago. This is my subject today. Well, and also I have this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop used filter called Find Edges, as always, and I may use this image later, so I'm going to turn it off now. Then I'm going to make this base image, fashion image, duplicate layer, copy this, and I'm going to turn this base image off now to keep it. Then I'm going to work on this copy. Well, I go for smudge tool first. I'm going to choose evolve. This is as always, I really like this. Okay, let's get started. Now smudging model first. Now then I'm gonna fix some background. Okay, let's go for models. Smudging. It looks like something painting type texture. Lighting is front lit. I have two umbrellas. One is overall soft from front. Then the other one is also same front, but a little bit harsh, straight. That umbrella. So that makes this shadow here edge. Okay, go for models. Let's see this. Well, almost done for model. Now go for background. Let's see, I don't want to see these straight lines. I'm gonna just smudge this to take it out. So I'm gonna break these straight lines. This measure too. Okay, almost done. Let's do this both side edge using a smudge tool, bigger one to blend outside. Okay, and this side too. This shows some kind of design type too. Okay, now our canvas is a little bit bigger size. Now then I want to see this pencil drawing type image, this layer. Let's check it out. Well, I'm going to expand this side too, both sides, because I expand the base image. Now I'm gonna, on this image, use rectangle. I'm gonna select white first, then I'm gonna fill in. Rectangle to select, to fill in this scene. Then again this side too. Fill in white. Now it's all canvases. same background, so it's gonna show. Now change the blend mode. Let's see, color burn. Color burn, let me burn. Looks like same, but I guess the color burn's much better because of the black dot. Doesn't exist on this. And I gotta be careful. I smudged this image, but I'm not smudging on this pencil drawing type, which has this dark lines because of edge. That's okay now. If I need to take it out, then make mask. But now just leave it there as it is. And well, I'm gonna use color burn. Then the other one, let's see. The effect, maybe overlay. This one shows much effect on fabric. This costume kind of shiny on the highlight side, which is interesting. Okay, so I'm gonna duplicate. Then one is overlay. Opacity about, let's see, it's 2 overlays. That's why it shows that much, but 90%. Yeah. Okay, overlay 90%. One layer, the other one is change. There was a color burn. Let's turn this overlay off. Then shows this one, this much. Well, dark lines, pretty interesting, pretty impressive. Okay, I'm gonna use this one, color burn. Blend mode is not much difference. Dark order better or adjust later, but now just leave it 100%. Easy to see. Max, huh? Okay. Now overlays 90. Then color burn is max 100. Yeah, not much difference. Okay. Now I'm gonna use mask to get from this shiny highlight first go. Okay, turn color burn off, then only see this overlay image. Make mask. Now invert mask. Now this time reveal weight. Well, okay, airbrushing group, medium airbrush. This is soft enough. We'll emphasize this. This is cool, yeah. That's about it. Now leave this one just away, then I'm gonna make this color burn layer. Now, darker side shows cool, okay? Not on her face, so I'm gonna make mask. Then invert mask. Now not on her face, but fabric. Let's see about same brush, right? This dark edge shows more contrast. Some of sharpness. Look at this. That's cool. I like that. Now let's see without mask. With mask. Well, what do you think about her face? Maybe since this is illustration, so let's see some about eyebrow. Goes more sharper. Eyes and the edge of the lips. That's kind of cool. Okay. Now let's see about background. Some of black lines. This horizontal. What do you think? It's kind of distracted. Maybe this one is some. Maybe let's see. Show this line. Just the accent. Yeah, this much. Not much to just touch. Well, now what do you think about the both side? Maybe just expand. Let's see. How do you make that? Okay, I'm gonna just duplicate just in case, and I'm gonna Oops, it's just color fill. This one is color paste. Go freedom. Then go outside. Same way again. I'm working on this now, and go back to this layer again. Then rectangle. Then again, not uniform. Freedom to go. Okay, about this much. Let's see. Doesn't. Well, okay, just leave it this way, and I just copy this. So we don't need two of them, same thing. So just delete one layer, same thing. I made based on this image. So, well, I guess that's it for today. Pretty quick. Well, it shows last thing. I'm gonna just merge now. Same thing, merge down. Now compared to base image, this much expand both sides, right and left. Then, well, I'm gonna make mask. Now invert mask. Use different texture like house camera. Now reveal. Looking cool. I think it's pretty cool. I just want to add something. Shiny hair. So I'm gonna, let's see, add layer, then add some yellowish gold type, then, well, let's see, change layer mode to color, then a little bit add airbrush group again, artistic airbrush group, soft blend. Maybe different way to paint, huh? Use the light pen I used the last time, and I really like this. I don't know if it's worked the same way. Yeah, how's this? Well, okay, this is key light for hair. I guess this is it for today, and thank you for watching my video. I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of creative idea for your creative work. And well, I really appreciate for you guys' support, and you guys have a nice day. See you next time. Bye now. Ciao.